Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Adidas Originals X-PLR all white or vintage white, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's go ahead and open these. Well, I'm going to have a look at the box first. It's the original blue box that they always use. 3 white stripes. Adidas Originals there. The brand with 3 stripes again. Adidas Originals there. I like to brand a lot. So yeah, size 10 because I'm a size 10. I'm growing into size 10.5 now. Probably 11 by end of I'll say 2018 June. I'll be size 11 or maybe 11 and a half by then. Who knows, my foot grows quite big quickly. So yeah, X-PLR vintage white, that's what they are. Made in Vietnam, and you got the sizes at the bottom. So let's go ahead and open this. Bam! Oh shit, that didn't work. Right, so we got this normal material here. You always see the same packaging. Holy shit, look at the reflection on that, guys. I love this shoe already. I'll show you without the reflection. With the reflection, they're mad. Look at that. These will get dirty quite easily though, I'm not gonna lie. I'll show you an example of that as well. Oh my god, that reflection's mad. It's a bit dirty there, I don't know why. But yeah, fuck that. Alright, so the shoe itself is, oh my god. That reflection just blinding me. It's so nice. Whoa, look at the back as well. Alright, so okay, so now we're getting cock blocked by this. There you go. Okay, so we've got the white here. White, another white, and then this is a different type of white. It's a mesh as well. That's pretty nice. And then you got a bit of grey here. That's for the sign, which is pretty cool. It's to give it a thingy, a different look. And it's vintage grey, vintage white I mean. So that's why it's a bit more grayer around this area. So yeah, look at this, guys. Wow, I really like this shoe. This isn't reflective. It's Adidas sign there if you can see it. That would have been nice if it was reflective. So this is another one of them shoelace ones, not the tie up pin up ones. Oh my god, every single insole in every Adidas different design is pretty cool. I really like it. This one got black and white. I'll show you the other ones. This was in my last video, go check it out. Insole in that is green. These are my black X-PLRs from like a year ago. They're black inside. And this one's my green one, which is black writing inside with a green look. Alright guys, so let's have a look. So we got these, oh wait, I'll show you the laces actually. So I got 2 of these with the quick tie laces. You literally just pull it up, it's done. And then these 2 shoes recently I bought. This was in my last video, go check it out. These are actual lace ones, you have to tie them off. Sorry guys, I'm a bit ill. I actually don't know how to tie my shoelaces, so I'm gonna have to learn that, guys. It's my New Year's resolution for 2018. I've told the story in my last video why, and I'll tell you again I guess, just in case you haven't seen my last video. So, or should I? Make you watch my last video. I'm not going to tell you guys. You guys can watch my last video and hear the sad story, guys. Alright guys, so I really like this reflection, man. It's so nice. I'll show you my brother's shoe as well. My brother has the exact same shoe, the same color, exact same, and he got it for 70 quid when it first came out. I got it for 20 something now. Very cheap price because winter sales on, and then I got my Adidas discount as well, my own one. They give it to me, and I might be able to get you guys a code as well, which gives you 30% off, which is better than the student discount of 10% off or 15% or something. So I can give you a 30% off code, hopefully, if they give me that. So I'll put it in the description below and you guys can use that. It will only be valid for like 3 months or something. That's what they do normally. So yeah. Alright guys, so look at it. Look at the shoe, guys. Look at the shoe. Alright. I'm gonna go put these both on. I've not put the other one even out of the box yet. Alright, so we've got the other one out of the box. Very nice. I'm gonna put these on in a second and just move these boxes out of the way. So look at my X-PLR collection, guys. Damn. Okay. We'll put these shoes on right. Alright guys, I just took off the tags and stuff and the boxes and shit. Well, I don't know what these are. The thing to keep it straight and shit. got barcodes on and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these shoes on, guys. Who are you ready? Sorry, I went full crazy thing. Yeah, never go full retard. Yeah. Oh yeah, these have no grip, by the way. I'd say they're more of a summer shoe. You would not. Oh my god, sticky as fuck. It's left a mark on the floor as well. Can you see the foot sole mark? I don't know if you can see it. The camera's pretty shit. I need a new phone with a better camera, so yeah. Put these on. Easy fitting, as you can see. Can you hear how sticky that is? Oh, there you go. Let me just sort these out. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the front. Just move back a bit. So they pretty much go with anything. Say you were in black, it'd go with that pretty much. Say black pants and a red hoodie or something, or something like that. I don't know, anything really. But yeah, they'd get quite dirty quickly. And the sides are very nice. The back is nice as well. Sorry about all that noises. It's very sticky for some reason. And yeah, look at the shoes, man. I'll take my flash off. See a bit better. That's without flash. It looks nice. With flash, fucking madness. Just looks white. Alright, I'll show you my shoe. Basically my brother's. I'll show you my brother's exact same version of the shoe. He's only had it for 2 months. 2-3 months, and I'll show you how bad he's got it. So I do recommend getting crep protect or some shit like that, because you will need it. You guys, I really don't like touching these. They're still fucking wet and dirty. Look at that. Look how bad these are. Look at the difference. Fuck me. These are exact same shoes, guys. The insole, his fucking insole's gone blue as well. What the fuck? I don't even know myself, guys. What the fuck's he done to these? It's like he's walked. Well, he didn't crop protect these, and look, they rip these shoes now. They're dead. Gone for life. I think he's already washed these as well once. So yeah, look at the difference, guys. And wow, look at the insoles as well. It's quite scary, to be honest. Yeah. So make sure you buy that crop protect. This is not sponsored by crop protect, by the way, but make sure you buy that crop protect. I'd actually say the Foot Locker one's better. It's called Force Fueled. It smells better, I'd say, and it's like a quid more. It's bigger as well, so it's worth it, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please check that out as well, and goodbye.